A word is nothing more than the history we give it. Ladies and gentlemen, words are just containers, but that is really the point. The connection between words and meanings represent the symbiosis between mind, body, and spirit. We craft words. They take on all of our flaws and our frailties. Sometimes we drop and break them, but we always have the ability to embolden the truths that they originally were created to carry. Kindness comes from an old English word meaning nation or to produce in increase. The word is further derived from a Middle English word meaning noble deeds or courtesy. We have been using the word kindness since the 14th century, but it has never been more important than it is right now. Unfortunately, many have a hesitation around themes like kindness, calling it a soft quality, and questioning how kindness can serve us in the world. But kindness can be used as a tool to forge a common bond, helping us find unity despite differences. It is the stuff of moments, and it can be transformative. Throughout my life journey, I was bullied as a child, drugged and raped in my 20s, and publicly shamed in my 30s. But I've also had the experience of kindness directed towards me when I was struggling and didn't think I deserved it. That was the seed of inspiration I needed to learn to be kind in the face of others being cruel to me. Because never in history has anyone ever changed their mind by being told how stupid they are. As Martin Luther King once said, "Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that." We cannot improve the other side, but we can always improve our own. If you have been struggling, I'm here to tell you that you deserve to breathe, to dream big and plan for the future, to laugh again and not be judged. It's easy to get stuck, but we need to remind ourselves that it's okay to be just as we are, that beautiful mess that makes us human. Accepting responsibility for our mistakes is one thing, but constantly blaming ourselves and others for things in the past is neither helpful nor healthy, and it doesn't change anything. By finding kindness towards yourself and others, you will become compassionate, accepting, and authentic. But how do you find kindness? Well, if you appreciate something, like a sunrise, take the moment to say to yourself, "This is kindness." There are no small things. Kindness is gentle by nature, but experiences are infused with it. As you begin to notice kindness, your awareness will expand and it will become easier to make those gestures of kindness which are expressions of your true self. Kindness is one of the most powerful forces in the world, and when we express kindness, miracles happen. Because like the original old world meaning, kindness is how we grow as a society.